All right. So one of the easiest ways to determine the health of the overall market is by how the current leaders are acting. And SWAV, Shockwave Medical, has been one of those clear leaders. But unfortunately, we have breached through the 200-day moving average today on significant volume. Um, what appeared to be a possible new base that was building out. Now it appears to be more of a stage three and distribution. We could see the distribution and heavy volume in the selling of these current candles over here. We have the moving averages starting to turn downwards. And this was a stock that had some pretty strong fundamentals to back up its technicals. We had 7 straight quarters of triple-digit sales. We had 5 straight quarters of triple-digit EPS. When you go ahead and you look at the number of funds invested, you always want to see these growing quarter to quarter. That's exactly what happened. 507, 524, 629, 707. So if I was in this stock, I would definitely be on the cautious side at this point. And then another stock, CLFD, which was also another clear leader in this bear market, had a very impressive move off of the lows over here, around the 145% move in just 2 months' time. But if you look over here, you can see some very significant wide and loose action, which is indicative of distribution and stage three. When referring to the different stages, I'm talking about Sam Weinstein's stage analysis. We are now below the 50-day moving average and what appears to be a small and tight bear flag forming. We got the moving averages 8 and 21 starting to turn downwards. The 50 is still a little bit flat over here. But if we start to break down from here, that 50-day will definitely start to turn downwards. So there should always be caution warranted when you see the current leader starting to break down. When we saw this in prior times, when we saw stocks like Net, Nvidia, Upstart, Aton, we saw these leaders of the past cycle starting to break down. They broke down ahead of the actual indexes themselves. So I think that's something to take into consideration right now. We got CPI coming up tomorrow morning. We got Powell speaking on Wednesday. And it's just a little more data to digest. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video.